Hi guys, welcome back to Leo Trade 27. This is Shivaji. Friends, Nifty already 500 nearest 500 points fallen today. Now, what will happen tomorrow? Just my view sharing with you friends. Friends, already I have sent my another channel which is Tamil language Shakti Trader or Price Action Tamil. See what happened here. I already mentioned that here stocks when they broke trend line and retest, and if you get chance again trend line draw, you should draw, then break out, then you will be buying chance. So what happened here? No chance given Nifty 50 about trend line. Now trend line here breaked and retest again fall here. Okay, now what happened tomorrow? See, what is this friends? What is this? This is support has broken. Okay, support has broken. Now what happened? This is retest. Okay, now this is retest. Chances are very high tomorrow touch here 17,600 are very crucial for resistance. See, this is continuations line here. Okay, see resistance here, also resistance here. So price will maybe touch and fall from here. Okay, so you need to wait for retest and you need to search for breakdown. See, some like that, draw the trend line, wait for breakdown. Friends, this is Nifty 50 my view. Okay, then we will go Bank Nifty. See, my view like that. Already I have drawn for my another channel Price Action Tamil. Friends, if you want Tamil language Price Action Tamil, links are given below the description. You can subscribe. See, this is a support. Now channels wedge pattern near wedge pattern, the ranges are very short. Stocks maybe go that side from here. This is a maybe major support here, which is 36,800 700 something. See here, this is a support level, and price may go this place, whatever, 37,650 nearest. Okay, so my view, Bank Nifty from here to may go for retest. If you want buy above the stocks, if you want buy above this trend line, see this trend line, wait for retest again. If you make higher high formation like that here, you can buy above this. Okay friends, this is Bank Nifty level. Okay, we will see some stocks for tomorrow. See, I have choose Bajaj Auto. Okay, Bajaj Auto, same scenario here. See, wait for retest and break, wait for breakdown and retest. Don't sell in bottom because it will be stop loss maybe hit here. So wait for retest. Then see, already breakdown. No, wait for retest. Stocks go for retest, then you will be selling chance here. Okay, this is a 1 hour chart. You need to search short time frame like 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Wait for like that. See, trend line drawn, then wait for breakdown. You can sell here, somewhere a stop loss here. Okay, this is a Bajaj Auto. Next, Aro Pharma. Every time you need to selling chances. You need to wait for selling chance and wait for retest. Same scenario what I have told Bajaj Auto, same like the same scenario. Wait for Aravinda Pharma selling scenario. If you if the stocks go like that, leave it that stock. When the stock rests somewhere here, you need to trend line draw. When the broke trend line, you can sell here somewhere a stop loss. Okay, this is a Aravinda Pharma. Then Reliance. This is a support place here. See, previous support line and trend line also support here. Support. So here chance multi time frame support will get. So that's why here you need to wait for buying scenario, higher high formation. When scenario morning time, you need just 10 to 15 minutes. You need to give it some time. Then stocks higher high formation. Then wait, breakout. You can buy from here. Previous swing loss, you need put stop loss. Here is book profit. Okay. And next, Indigo. Tata Steel Limited, that's a normal our favorite stock. Indigo. See friends, Indigo, what happened tomorrow morning? I have live market my send screenshots here. See here my view 1 minute chart here. See what happened here. This is a breakdown. See, this is a breakdown, retest, again falling. I have already sent in my Prime Telegram channel. See, morning 10 a.m. Friends, if you wish to join my Prime Telegram channel, just you need to open Demat account from my link below the description. Alex Blue, Upstocks, Fires, Angel Broking. Simple. Upstocks, Alex Blue, Angel Broking, Fires. If you open Demat account from through the my link, you will be enabled to in Prime Telegram channel, and live market my screenshots also you will be get. Okay friends, see what happened here. Also mention there somewhere here, book some profit and book full profit, same like that. Okay, if you wish free Telegram channel, this is one of the my free Telegram channel also is available here. If you want join, see, links are given below the description. You can join. Okay friends, Indigo, what happened tomorrow? So leave it. This is today's situation. Now we will see tomorrow's situation. What happened? See, tomorrow is a resistance line. Sorry, this is a support line, right? This is a support line. Support neckline also break here. So wait for retest. The retest really it's power of buyers. Then you can buy somewhere here, again break here. If not, this sustain this level, I mean this level, the fall automatically fall again. Okay, this is a 1 minute chart. We will go 1 hour chart. See 1 hour chart what happened. See friend, this is a support broken. See here, support broken. Now it's a retest. Stocks go sharp, go, and that's sharply fall. Now what happened? The stocks chances are very high to broken this level. Okay friends, we will see another video. Until bye friends, Shivaji.